The topic is circumference and arcs, so I will show you what happens inside the circle. I will draw the circle and I will draw the center. To have a central angle, I need to draw two line segments that join in the center. So the vertex will be the center of my circle. So I will say that this is a central angle because the vertex of these two line segments is in the center. Okay. The inscribed angle is defined as the angle formed by two chords that meet at the same point on a circle. It means that the chord, remember, is to go from one point of the circumference to the other without passing through the center. So I will take from this point here, I'm drawing a chord, and then I draw another chord here, and I'm forming the inscribed angle. And the inscribed angle is half the measure of the central angle formed by using the same points. It means that this angle is twice this angle. This is half this angle. And the quadrilaterals inscribed, it means that inside my quadrilateral, there is an inscribed angle. So I will use this example to explain. It says that angle A is limited to the circle O and find the measure of angle A. This is the unknown, so this will be my angle A. You see the four side figure here. This is a quadrilateral, and inside the quadrilateral, we see an inscribed angle. So it says here that the sum of the opposing angles is equal to 180 degrees. It means that if I add this 65 to my angle A, I will have to get 180. Remember, the inside angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So then I will say that the angle A plus the 65 degrees needs to be 180. So I isolate the letter A to get the value of A. Subtracting from both sides the 65, I get 150. Very good. And in this example, it says find the measure of the inscribed angle. You know the inscribed angle here is the letter N. And this is the central angle. Remember, the central angle is twice the value of the inscribed angle, or the inscribed angle is half the value of the central angle. It means that I need to multiply the 48 times 2 in order to get the central angle, which is the letter A. So I will say half of the measure of the letter A, which is the central angle, is equal to 48. So we isolate the letter A and we divide, we multiply both sides times 2 to isolate the letter. So A will be equal to 96.